Okay, so your assignment 1 is to search septic tank for different cities. Okay, so I want you to firstly, these are the states, right? You want to look for the states that have very high number of locations. So these are septic system in the states, right? For example, some states, have very low number of locations. You just ignore that. So you go to the high locations states. For example, I was in Florida. She has 900 something, right? Then you go in. So these are the cities, right? I want you go in for at least 15 locations, cities, okay? So what you want to search, that's the one I search is, septic tank, Lakeland, Florida, right? FL, that's Florida. And then you can search, say Miami, right? So septic tank, Miami, right? That's the results page. Yeah, so the same thing, right? So ignore ads, ignore the directory. This is a competitor, right? This is non-related, right? This is a news site. This should be a competitor. When you do this a lot, you can figure out it really fast. This is a competitor site, right? Just by the URL and the description, it's a competitor site. Okay, you have locations, services, contact. It's typical competitor site, right? Home advisor is a directory, or they're like, you can list different. If a website, you can list different like companies on one website, right? Like this one, you're listing different companies. That's not a direct competitor. That's just a directory. So same as Yelp, right? You can put like multiple companies on Yelp, right? To make it clear, right? That's it. Sometimes you don't know, like this one, news topic, right? Is it competitor or not? You have to click in and figure out. That is look like a blog, right? It's not a competitor site. Okay, but you know the gist. Okay, so that's your task. I want you to find different cities for septic tank and do like 15 plus locations. It's a minimum requirement. That means the number of business. Remember here, number of business. You can directly, instead of, so previously the video make is you can look at the Google map and see how many business are there, active business. But this one is easier, so you just look at the number here, right? Just fill in the number. Okay, so there are lots of choices, right? Florida, you have this many, right? Then you go to other states, right? You can check different states, check each one, right? Pennsylvania, you can try Philadelphia, things like that. But should be 15 locations plus. Okay, that's it.